Hyperbaric oxygen therapy amplifies the benefits of chiropractic care by speeding up recovery and reducing pain. This therapy works by delivering oxygen under pressure, targeting inflammation, and promoting tissue repair. Patients experience improved joint function, greater mobility, and enhanced healing when HBOT complements their spinal adjustments. And with professional-grade chambers from Oxygen Health Systems, clinics can offer this innovative therapy to alleviate patient outcomes. Modernize your clinic's chiropractic treatments with the power of HBOT. Visit oxygenhealthsystems.com to learn more.